Hey everyone! Today we're making the softest and chewiest Apple Oatmeal Cookies, a super healthy snack. They're perfectly sweet and so easy to make. So grab your mixing bowl and let's bake it. First, we're pouring the apple syrup into a bowl. Next, we're adding the oil. The oil helps make our cookies soft and gives them that lovely, chewy texture. Now, we're cracking in 1 egg and adding it to the mixture. This will help bind everything together and make the cookies nice and soft. And finally, we're adding a little bit of vanilla for that sweet aroma and extra flavor. Now, let's start mixing everything together until we get a smooth and well-combined texture. Take your time here. You want all the ingredients to blend nicely so your cookies turn out soft and perfect. Now that everything's nicely mixed, we're adding the apple puree and giving it a good stir. This adds natural sweetness and keeps our cookies super soft and moist. Next, we're adding the oatmeal and giving it a quick mix. Oatmeal not only adds a lovely, chewy texture, but it also makes our cookies more filling and nutritious. Now, we're adding the whole wheat flour along with the baking powder. The flour gives structure to our cookies, while the baking powder helps them rise just enough to stay soft and fluffy. We mix everything well until we reach the texture we want: smooth, slightly thick. And this is the texture we're aiming for: smooth, soft, and perfectly ready for baking. Now, we're scooping the dough onto the baking tray. Using a scoop, make sure every cookie is the same size so they bake evenly. This way, each one will have a beautiful golden edge while staying soft and chewy in the center. Plus, it keeps your cookies looking neat and uniform, perfect for sharing or gifting. Now, we're placing our tray in the oven at 170 degrees for 15 minutes to bake the cookies. And now our soft and chewy apple oatmeal cookies are ready. They smell amazing and look so delicious. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tasty treats. Thanks for watching.